Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my car into a wireless entertainment hub with Netflix, YouTube, and more. Wireless connectivity in cars is a game changer, enhancing your driving experience with access to your favorite apps and streaming services, making every road trip or daily commute a whole lot more fun. Traditional car entertainment systems can be pretty limited, often lacking the ability to connect to the internet, which means you're stuck with the same old radio stations or CDs. This gets old fast, especially when you're used to having instant access to all your favorite shows and movies at home. Many cars still come with outdated systems that don't support modern streaming services, leaving you frustrated and disconnected while on the road. You might find yourself wishing you could catch up on your favorite series or watch a new movie released during a long drive. The lack of wireless connectivity in cars can make what's supposed to be an enjoyable experience feel like a step back in time. Most people rely on their phones or tablets for entertainment, but this isn't always practical or safe while driving, highlighting the need for a better solution. There are several options available for achieving wireless connectivity in your car. One common method is to use a mobile hotspot, which can provide a stable internet connection for your devices. Some cars also come with built-in Wi-Fi, making it easy to connect your devices and stream your favorite content. Additionally, there are compatible devices that can be installed in your car, such as tablets or wireless display adapters, which can provide a more integrated entertainment experience. When choosing a solution, consider the compatibility of the device with your car system and the strength of the internet connection. Different devices offer varying levels of integration and user experience, so it's worth exploring the options to find the one that best fits your needs. A standout solution for seamless integration of streaming services and vehicles is a device that allows you to mirror your phone or tablet screen directly to your car's display. This device offers a range of features, including easy installation, high-definition video quality, and support for multiple streaming services. With this device, you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies on the big screen, making road trips and commutes more enjoyable. The device also supports music streaming services, so you can access your favorite playlists and discover new music. Its compact design and user-friendly interface make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their car's entertainment system. This solution is particularly useful for cars that don't have built-in wireless connectivity, providing a simple and effective way to stay entertained on the go. Having wireless freedom in your car transforms it into an entertainment center, making every drive more enjoyable. You can catch up on your favorite shows, watch movies, or listen to music, all from the comfort of your car. This is especially great for road trips or long commutes, where entertainment can make all the difference. If you've had experiences with car entertainment systems, share them with us in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other video on tech upgrades for vehicles to learn more about how you can enhance your driving experience.